the Admiral Grigorovich class of guided missile frigates serving the Russian Navy has a planned strength of 6 ships. The group is led by Admiral Grigorovich, 745, herself, and currently, 2018, includes Admiral Lesin, 751, and Admiral Makarov, 799. Planned ships are Admiral Nutakov, Admiral Istomin, and Admiral Kornilov. All 3 completed ships are in active service with the Black Sea Fleet. Admiral Makarov, the focus of this article, was laid down at the Yantar shipyard of Kaliningrad, Russia on February 29, 2012. She was launched on September 2, 2015 and formally commissioned for service on December 27, 2017, making her one of the newest additions to the Russian fleet. Admiral Makarov is an all-modern warship with stealth features and a low profile. It sports a slab-sided design, keeping protrusions to a minimum, and features a slew of advanced processing systems and weaponry to suit many maritime roles including airspace deterrence, offshore assault, and fleet support. The smoke funnel is all enclosed and of a low-profile design. The main mast is also of a low-profile approach, outfitted with a bulk of the sensors and processing systems needed to make the Makarov a suitable modern fighting vessel. Over the stern is a helicopter flight deck suitable for support of a single Kamov Ka-27 novelized helicopter or similar vehicle. A hangar offers full service capabilities and can house a second helicopter if need be. Under standard load, the ship displaces 3,620 tons and, under full load, this balloons to 4,035 tons. Overall length reaches 410 feet while the beam measures 50 feet and the draft just 14 feet. Power is through a COGAG, combined gas and gas, arrangement which pairs 2 XTS-71 gas turbines outputting 8,450 horsepower for cruising actions and 2 XDT-59 gas turbines outputting 22,000 horsepower for dash actions. Total output becomes 60,900 horsepower, and this is used to drive 2 X shafts under stern. The propulsion scheme allows the vessel to make headway at 30 knots and reach out to ranges of 4,850 nautical miles. Aboard is a crew complement of about 200 personnel. On-board stores allow the vessel to stay at sea for about 1 month. The Frigate M2M serves in the air search role while the 3 RS-25E Garpun B, Mr. 212-201-1, and Nucleus 26000R all form the surface search suite. Fire control is directed by the JSC-5 P-10E Puma, 3R14N11356, and the Mr. 90 or XAM systems. Electronic warfare, involves the TK-25E-5 suite and 4 XKT-216 systems are used to launch decoys. Installed armament is comprised of a mix of ballistic and missile weapon types. 1x100mm A190 arsenal turreted main gun is seated over the forecastle. 1x8 cell UKSK vertical launch system, VLS, can fire both caliber and 3M55 UNIX surface-to-surface missiles at range. 2x12 cell VLSs are used to house 3 S-90M Shtil-1 series surface-to-air missiles. Additional anti-aircraft defenses through 8X Sigla-1E missile launchers and 2X Kashtan close-in weapon systems, SUSs. 2X twin-tubed 533mm torpedo launchers can counter surface and submarine threats, while the latter threat is also addressed by installation of the RBU-6000 anti-submarine RO kit, ASROC, launcher unit. Admiral Makarov maintains an active status in the Russian fleet.